Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to introduce our latest must-have gadget, the Bluetooth earbuds. If you're tired of dealing with tangled cables and looking for a seamless and stylish audio solution, then these earbuds are just what you need. Our Bluetooth earbuds are designed to deliver the ultimate audio experience, whether you're working out, commuting, or simply unwinding with your favorite playlist. Boasting a sleek and compact design, these earbuds fit snugly in your ears and offer premium sound quality that will elevate your music listening experience to a whole new level. With the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, our earbuds easily pair with any Bluetooth-enabled device and provide a stable and secure connection. Plus, with an impressive battery life of up to 4 hours, you can enjoy uninterrupted music playback throughout the day, no matter where your adventures take you. That's not all. Our Bluetooth earbuds also feature advanced noise-canceling technology, allowing you to block out background noise and enjoy crystal-clear audio during calls or while listening to podcasts on the go. So why settle for average earbuds when you can have the best? Upgrade your audio game today and experience the freedom of wireless listening with our Bluetooth earbuds. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your music and calls to the next level. Click the link in the description below to purchase your own pair of Bluetooth earbuds now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.